You set a goal to get in shape, but your daily standard tolerates skipping workouts and eating poorly. You set a goal to build wealth, but your daily standard allows spending that eats up every dollar. The goal can't survive on top of a standard that contradicts it. Here's the truth. Goals are not the variable. Standards are the variable. Your daily standards determine your daily behavior, and daily behavior, repeated for years, produces every outcome you've ever called a goal. Without the right standards, the goal never arrives. With the right standards, the goal arrives almost automatically, as a byproduct of how you live. The problem, the entire self-improvement industry is built on goal setting. Resolutions, vision boards, quarterly targets, all focused on what you want. Almost none of it focused on what you actually accept from yourself daily. Right, that gap between the ambitious goal and the unambitious daily standard is where every failure lives. Today, 3 things: why your goals have been failing, what to do instead, and how one simple shift beats 10 years of goal setting. A goal is not a standard. A goal is a destination. Write a book, lose 20 pounds, save $100,000. It's aspirational, but by itself, it produces 0 behavior. A standard is different. It's the behavior you hold yourself to daily, regardless of mood. The minimum writing you'll do, the minimum movement, the minimum financial discipline. Goals are something you want. Standards are something you do. So here's the fix. Translate every goal into a standard. Write a book becomes 30 minutes of writing every day, no exceptions. Lose weight becomes a minimum daily movement plus specific food rules. Build wealth becomes a monthly investment amount plus a spending cap. Then drop the goal from your mind completely. Focus only on, did I hit my standard today? That's the only question that matters. Your real standards live in small places. Ask people about their standards and they'll describe their dreams, but real standards show up in small, boring places. How you make your bed, whether you finish what you start, how clean your diet is, how consistent your sleep is. These aren't separate from your big ambitions. They're the same standard at a different scale. Someone who can't keep their kitchen clean is unlikely to build a thriving business. So the fix isn't a bigger goal. It's raising the small, daily standard first. Make the bed. Finish what you start. Eat clean. Sleep on time. Small moves. But together they build a version of you your old self couldn't produce. Standards are tested on your worst day. Good days run themselves. Motivation's there. Energy's there. Standards aren't tested there. Your real standard is what you do on your worst day. The tired day, the stressed day, the day you don't feel like it. Most people have a very low floor on bad days. They skip the workout. They let things slide. That low floor is their actual standard. The fix: raise the floor. Not perfection. Just a minimum that holds no matter what. The "I deserve a break" voice has to go silent, especially on bad days, because that's exactly when standards matter most. The story: 1 year, no goals. I knew a woman who'd been a goal setter for a decade. Every January, big goals. By April, most were dead. A mentor told her, "Your goals aren't the problem. Your daily standards don't support them." He gave her one challenge. For 1 full year, set no goals at all. Instead, pick 3 or 4 daily standards and hold them every single day. She picked 4, 30 minutes of writing every morning. A minimum daily movement. No processed food on weekdays. Lights out by 10:30. Month 1 was hard. By month 3, it was routine. By month 6, the things she would have set as goals were happening on their own. A real book draft, a changed body, better focus, quietly growing savings. By month 12, she'd achieved more than in the previous 5 years combined, without chasing a single outcome directly. Why nobody does this? This approach is uncomfortable because it's invisible. There's no exciting vision board, no dopamine hit from planning, just quiet, daily follow-through for months before anything shows. The first 3 months, nothing visible. The next 3, small shifts. By month 12, undeniable change. Most people quit before they ever see it. Trust the math even when you can't see it yet. Call to action/close. So here's what to do, starting tonight. For 1 year, set 0 goals. Pick 3 to 5 daily standards, specific, measurable, and a little uncomfortable. Hold them every day. Bad days, travel, stress, all of it. No exceptions. Don't track outcomes. Track only whether you hit your standard. After 12 months, look at what showed up. The goals that have been failing for years aren't failing because they're the wrong goals. They're failing because your daily standards don't support them.